guys,
hello.
Welcome back to my channel. So I got my husband here today. We're gonna do the husband or boyfriend, husband, do our makeup challenge today. So he's gonna do my makeup. He doesn't know anything really about no makeup. He see me do it. He never really watch any videos either.
No.
So let's wish me luck, huh? So wish him luck too. So I put the whole layout here and let's just hope that he does a decent job and doesn't poke my eye out.
That's the one. Don't poke your eye out.
Let me show you guys the layout. Alright, so I'm not gonna help him with anything. I do have moisturizer on and eye cream on, just so you know, he doesn't get more confused than he already is. What are we doing first? Was there a specific look you want to go for?
No, I'm just gonna wing it with what I have here in front of me. So, you moisturized already. I'm trying to remember all the videos right now. What they did next.
Should have studied.
I think it's foundation first. I don't think it's concealer first.
You're lucky my skin is pretty good today.
So I guess I don't really need concealer. I don't see no pimples. So.
You can't be just skipping steps if you want to skip steps.
I don't see any to use. Corrector. Why is there like 3 different concealers?
I gave you options. Right?
Oh.
And if I just leave one and one, then you'll be easily figure this out. So that's cheating.
What? Oh,
I gave
is
you
that
options so you can choose.
Oh, okay. Where's your little board to mix the foundation?
Oh, just use your hand. That's what I do.
Okay, so
Your hands are clean, right?
yeah. This is Laura Mercier Smooth Finish.
He loves to shake things. He's like a fan of that. You want to show them how much you have?
That much.
And what are you using right now? What is it called?
Sponge.
Okay, very good. It is a sponge, technically. He's not gonna know the names, guys. So we're doing a what motion right now? You're doing a swiping motion?
A swiping motion.
Okay.
To fully cover.
Okay. Swiping motion, guys.
And then I'm about to get in.
Now he's pounding it in.
Make sure it goes in every pore.
Oh Lord. You guys have a lot of pores?
That's what, you know, that's why they make makeup remover. You need to turn more this way.
Okay, turn more this way.
Thank you. Don't be a difficult client, okay?
Okay. He knows all the stories. When I worked at Sephora and MAC, I always vent to him about all my clients that I had are difficult. That's our inside joke. More on that side?
Yeah, this side's like perfect.
You're trying to have me look like little MAC girls, huh? Cake it on.
Cake it on. Go down the neck, you know what I'm saying? You don't want that foundation uneven.
Oh Lord, I'm taking forever on foundation.
Yo, I need to spread it evenly, okay? If I feel like it's not even, it's not gonna look right. So, alright. So now that that's on, I don't think I see you do anything else with your face. Right.
Nothing else on my face, is it? I'm done.
Yeah, there we go, see?
This is how I do my face.
Yeah. Where's the eyebrow stuff? Where's the black?
You using eyeshadow today for eyebrows?
I don't see any eyebrow stuff. This is Lash Tint Brow Gel. Oh, there we go. Urban Decay Brow Tamer.
Very good. It is. He knows how to focus now because he'll be vlogging. Check out the vlog channel. I'll put a bubble right there for you guys. Straight to it, huh? Okay.
What? This is...
Your face is concentrated.
We're gonna blend that in with something, alright?
Or something.
I said
okay. What brush is this?
I don't know. Some small brush.
He's using this brush, guys, okay? It's a flat shader brush he's using. Whatever works for you, honey. Make the magic work.
It'll dry.
That's what I'm afraid of. Okay. Do you need a picture or reference of how my makeup is supposed to look?
No.
Okay.
No. I mean, it probably would help since you haven't done your own makeup in so long. Okay, let's go with the green inside job.
This one is the Dark Magic palette.
I'm gonna get rid of that. Do I just use my finger? Oh, I can. Okay, cool.
I don't know. So we're using, what brushes is you're using?
A Morphe M501.
A Morphe M501 for eyeshadow. Do you want me to close or
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Damn, this brush is too big. I need something smaller. You know what's this brush? Go back to this one. Close your eye.
Do I really have a black eye?
A green one. It looks like it's
exactly. It's a healing one.
It's a healing one. Don't worry, we're gonna blend all this out, okay?
So, you expect this eyeshadow just to stay on without any primer?
What?
Oh, okay. Whatever works for you, man. Whatever works for you.
Stay on until the camera comes off.
No, I'm supposed to be able to wear this out and be like, this is my husband's masterpiece.
Oh, that's definitely not gonna work.
And see how many people will stare at me. Walking next to you in the street. What look are you trying to go for? A smoky eye or what's the deal? Go with the flow? Let's see if you do better than your daughter.
Probably not. You read my mind. This is Urban Decay Legend.
Bless you. Do you want me to close or open or look down or what?
Close is fine. What? Why are you laughing?
You're so gentle. It tickles.
Yeah, I'm gonna poke your eye out. What? Very rough.
Okay.
I don't want to just stab it in there.
Are we making a wing?
Yeah.
I feel it. Quite the flick you got there. Flick of the wrist.
I definitely like the wing look. Turn this way. Thank you. Okay.
All I see is smoke. I don't know, I can't see. It'll be a surprise at the end. So you're just doing one eyeshadow?
Yeah.
Oh.
I guess I'll blend it out a little bit more with another, like a brown.
I was just asking. It's more like, are you gonna put anything on the bottom?
No. I'm scared.
Nothing on the bottom?
No.
It's just gonna be a toppy smoky eye?
Yeah.
Okay. Same brush. He's just using the same brush, guys. Same one brush.
Okay. We're gonna switch it up.
He made this brush worthy of buying. It's versatile.
Very versatile. We're gonna use this brush.
The MAC
217. We're gonna put some of this. Shh.
The color is called Shh. Oh, he did the tap. How are we looking?
It's looking a little better now that you added that, actually.
Now that you blended it.
Let me do a lower. Yeah, I guess. Okay. So we're gonna do Makeup Forever Professional Aqua Shadow.
Number
20 E.
How do you got my face?
Right there.
Your hands are really clammy. They're like melting off my foundation. Using a lefty, huh?
It's called clutch. I'm gonna come in the clutch. Kind of blend that in with my finger.
You have plenty of brushes. Use them. Not the same handy brush?
I guess not. I would, but it's gonna mess up the color tone, you know what I'm saying?
There you go.
I'm gonna do something like this one.
On your cash up.
So now, let's do your lips. We're gonna outline it with the MAC lip pencil. Was it sore?
Okay, you hold on to my shoulder.
You don't want to hold on to your face.
We're outlining a lot, huh? You giving me like Kylie lips?
Yeah. There you go. Turn a little bit. Thank you. Hold on. It's gonna get filled in, okay?
I can see on the viewfinder how big my lips look already.
Amazing.
This lip color is the color of my shirt.
Yeah, there you go. Mix it together a little bit. There we go. You know what? I'm gonna use another brush and I'm gonna blend that out a little bit into the. So it's not so.
Just a lot of blending. So it must be hella out of line.
Just slightly. Okay. Let me put some.
They're my shade. Why do I have other shades?
We're gonna use this MAC 134.
What powder is this you're using?
This is Bare Minerals Perfecting Veil. Veil. Light to medium. Can you turn this way a little bit? Thank you.
How does the foundation look?
On point. I should have used this first, the eyeshadow primer. Whoops. Whoops.
He said there's no eyeshadow primer here, so.
So we're gonna use Duo Dark Tone Glue.
I have lash applicators too. You want that instead?
Now I'm freehanding this.
Oh, yeah. You can do it by hand.
Yeah, I know what you're doing here.
The way you hold your hand, your arm, crack me up. Okay, go ahead. I'm ready.
Bonk. Okay, now I'm gonna fix it. Now look up. Open your eye. Close your eye. Yeah, if I want to get rid of the glue, how do I do that?
It usually dries down to a dark color.
Oh. There's Upward Lash by MAC.
The way you hold this.
I don't want to hurt you.
You're like on my face. You're like pushing against my cheek.
I need something to stabilize, okay? Blush.
Some magic.
Some, yeah. Someone to come
Some
help.
Harry Potter.
Expecto Patronum!
We're gonna use Real Techniques by Sam and Nick. And then MAC Nuance. Spray Refresh by Morphe and Jeffree Star.
You love shaking things.
Alright, there you go.
Are we done?
Yes, we're done.
We're done. Shall we see how you did?
Book me for your next event.
Oh my god. Oh, it's not too bad. I can actually wear this out and look okay. My lips is the only one that's gonna... You did a really good job on the lashes. Except that you only put them backwards.
What? Really?
This goes on this side, doesn't go on the side. That's why it's so long in the middle.
I didn't know that. I was like, hey, that looks like the shape of your eye. Okay, that probably goes on that side. Oh wait, it's reversed.
But everything else looks decent. A little muddled, but that's okay. But overall, the blending's actually really nice. And I'm just impressed by your eyeliner. You got as close as you can with the lashes. Except that it's reversed. I give it a 7 out of 10. Hopefully next time will be better. I think Illy did a better job though, still. But then again, she didn't put on eyelash. So here's the overall look, guys. Even though I'm so pale, and he said he don't want to put any bronzer on, I look like a ghost. What do you guys think out of 10? 10 out of 10 recommend?
For sure.
To be your artist?
For sure.
Alright guys, this is it for our video. Thumbs up if you guys liked it, and thumbs up if you guys want to see more of Jules. Comment below if you guys want to see him more in these type of videos, and I'll try to convince him to do this. This only took me like several months to convince him to do. My lashes are so weird because the long parts are on the inside, so all I see is my lashes. Alright, we'll see you guys later. Bye!